How to use ultra wide camera on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can use ultra wide camera on Instagram, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So to give you a demo, if I open up my camera application, let me just switch to the front camera, and here you can see the normal 1x. If you go to 2x or 0.5x, it is we're utilizing the maximum width, and in that case that is called ultra wide camera. Even in the back camera or the main camera, if you just swipe out like this is basically the ultra wide camera. So by default you are on, let's say, 1x. If you go to 0.5x, that is your ultra wide. And let's say you want to use the similar feature on your Instagram, so you open it up. Maybe you're trying to upload a story, you go to camera tab. One way that you can do this is by simply zooming in like this and then zooming out to utilize the maximum ultra wide camera. So you can just pinch out in order to zoom in. It also works other way around. You can just go ahead and zoom in if you'd like, or you can just zoom out as well if you think that's convenient. Now if this is not getting your point, then in that case you can open the stock camera app and then move it to the maximum ultra wide. Take a photo of that, come to Instagram, and then just try to upload that photo to your story, and that will at least give you some of the ultra width. This way you'll be able to use ultra wide camera on Instagram. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.